Hey guys, so remember when I said, well, if you haven't already, check the community tab, because I said part 5 comes whenever it rains again. Well, wasn't expecting it to be this soon. You guys hear that? Yeah, it's sprinkling still, and I got it on the phone. So yeah, I just want you guys to see how gray the sky is. Can you guys see that? Yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna show you guys that for no reason. But anyway, bye. Also check out Grass Part 25 because that literally took centuries to make, so yeah, just watch it. Okay. Well, it didn't actually take centuries, like 7 minutes. That's literally how long the video is, but please, still just watch it. Please. Please, 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 please. And enough yapping, and goodbye.